Here on another poorly edited episode of Jethro's Garage, we're getting ready to mix some paint. Now we got some body panels for this 1991 Camaro that have been repaired and prepped using urethane primer, sealed with a white sealer. We are going to be using a crossfire urethane mixed in the original paint coat. I use these disposable bladders in the gun. That is a ATD HVLP gun. I like to spray it about 45 pounds at the tip. And here's my makeshift paint booth. It's better than doing it outside. All the prep work was done outside, but invariably you're going to get little bits of dust and trash in your paint. So I've tinted this off here. I'm going to have this fan pulling out this way. I do engine work on big yachts, and this is how they paint them. They get scaffolding and they build a big tent around it because they just don't have a building or a spray booth big enough to put them in. Alright, well, half a quart later, 3 or 4 coats, letting it flash for a few minutes between each coat. Here we are. Now, I'm not 100% happy with the way it turned out. I think there's a little bit more orange peel than I would like. Got a little bit of trash in the paint, although certainly far better than if I had just painted it out in the open. So we're going to go ahead, clean up the gun, put everything away while we let this stuff dry. Alright, so 6 days later, these parts have had a chance to dry. I don't know if you can really see the orange peel that I'm trying to show here, but it's nothing that I can't buff out. Orange peel usually means you either didn't have enough air pressure, that wasn't a problem, or you used the wrong mix ratios or products for the temperature. That wasn't it either. The product I used, 5 parts paint, 1 part reducer, 1 part hardener. So I took 15 ounces of paint, divided it by 5, it gave me 3. So it was 15 ounces of paint, 3 ounces reducer, 3 ounces hardener. But like any recipe, you know, even cooking, you can make something to a recipe and you can say, it needs a little more salt. In this case, when I started spraying the last few coats, I did splash a little more reducer into it. Anyhow, I haven't worked with this product before and in the future, because I will be painting the rest of the car with this product, I'm probably going to go a bit heavier on the reducer. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. Alright, now to move on to other projects. Jethro out.